On the third day after Jesus was crucified, something miraculous happened. Early in the morning, as the sun began to rise, Mary Magdalene and a few other women made their way to Jesus' tomb. They brought spices with them to anoint his body. But when they arrived, the stone covering the entrance had already been rolled away. Fear and confusion gripped their hearts. Had someone taken his body? Suddenly, two men in shining clothes appeared before them. The women were terrified and bowed down. "Why do you look for the living among the dead?" the angels said. "He is not here. He has risen." The women ran to tell the disciples, who couldn't believe the news. Peter ran to the tomb. He saw the linen cloths lying there, but no sign of Jesus. Amazed, he left, wondering what it all meant. Later that day, two disciples walked toward the village of Emmaus. A man joined them on the road and explained the scriptures about the Messiah. When they reached the village, they invited him to stay. As he broke the bread, their eyes were opened. They realized it was Jesus. He had truly risen, just as he said. That evening, Jesus appeared to his disciples. "Peace be with you," he said. They were overjoyed. Death had not won. Jesus was alive. The resurrection of Jesus is the cornerstone of our faith. It's proof of God's power over sin and death. Because he lives, we have hope. Because he rose, we are forgiven. Because of Easter, we are never alone. He is risen indeed.